Welcome back to TechWise. Are you looking to find healthy recipes online without getting lost in confusion? This guide is for you. We know navigating online recipes can be tricky, so let's start with a quick introduction. Many recipe sites are cluttered with pop-ups, ads, and conflicting information, making it hard to find what you really need. Our goal in this video is simple: to teach you how to find healthy recipes online quickly and safely, cutting through the noise. Let's begin with the first key step: how to search smart. When you search, use clear and specific terms. Instead of vague searches, try phrases like healthy chicken recipes or low-sugar breakfast ideas for better results. Remember to scroll past any ads or sponsored posts that appear at the top of your search results. They often aren't the best sources for genuinely healthy options. Next, let's talk about choosing sources you can trust. Look for reliable websites. Trustworthy sources include government health sites, medical platforms, or well-established reputable recipe organizations. A truly helpful, healthy recipe should include detailed nutrition information such as calories, sugar, and sodium content. Once you find a great recipe, you'll want to save it so you can easily access it later. The quickest way to save is by bookmarking the recipe right in your web browser. This keeps your favorite recipes organized and accessible. Alternatively, you can save a screenshot of the recipe in your photos. For ultimate convenience, let's look at using voice search. Try using a voice command like "Find healthy soup recipes" to get quick results, especially when your hands are busy in the kitchen.
Find me a classic macaroni and cheese recipe.
Voice searching allows you to keep your hands clean and quickly find information without having to type. We've covered the best strategies for finding healthy recipes online. Let's do a quick recap. Remember to search smart, choose reliable sites, save your favorites, and leverage voice search for speed and convenience. Now you have the tools to explore healthy food choices online with total confidence. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.